So today I'm about to show you how to clear audio history in Flowith.io step by step. If you've been using Listen and Act and want to remove old recordings, this will help you clean it up quickly. Let's get started. First, open the Flowith app. Next, click on Listen and Act to open Dozer. Once open, look for the clock icon. This is for your history button. Tap on it, and you'll see your audio history list. Now, to delete, swipe from right to left on any audio item, then tap the delete icon to remove it. Tip: for better management, clear history regularly to stay organized. Delete unused recordings to save space, and review before deleting important audios. And that's it. That's how to clear audio history in Flowith.io. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.